Hello YouTube. So as you can see, I'm out in the middle doing a bivy camp. I'm in the Dutch Army hoop bivy. I've got Kian in the Czech bedroll, Riley in the MTP British Army bivy bag, and Harley is in a DPM Asher made into a bivy bag. So we've got the four of us out tonight. A couple of other friends joining us as well. It's so dry here at the moment though. I don't think we're going to have a fire tonight. I think we've all planned on cooking with gas or meths rather than actually having a fire and cooking over the fire like we normally would. It's Kian's first camp. Say hi, Kian.
Hey there.
So it's Kian's first camp in the woods. Where we are, me and Riley have been here before. We actually did a bivy camp, just me and Riley, a couple of weekends ago. I did post some pictures of it, but it's beautiful here. Really is beautiful. So yeah, as you can see, that's the 4 bivy bags. And this wonderful woodland that we're in.